Hi everyone, today I am going to discuss about a powerful connection between the fasting and the plant-based diet in managing the metabolic disorders. Today we see that tremendous amount of increase in the metabolic diseases in our society. I think it is more contributing factor here is the insulin resistance. The insulin resistance is the main culprit behind the metabolic disorders. So when you look at the insulin resistance, what drives the insulin resistance? Stress, one of the reasons why the insulin resistance is increasing. The second, the obesity. The third comes is your sleep. The fourth comes is your increased intake of the processed food. And the last but least is the lack of physical activity. So when we look at the insulin resistance, one of the best tool to manage the insulin resistance is fasting and the plant-based diet. While we are talking about the fasting, we traditionally believe that fasting is voluntary abstinence of the food except the water. I think the intermittent fasting becomes a main tool today for us to manage the insulin resistance. When we talk about the intermittent fasting, it is about 16 to 18 hours of fast. It is a very easy way where we can able to manage the fasting in a day-to-day life. In the fasting, we have seen there is a tremendous amount of decrease in managing the insulin resistance along with the lifestyle changes, because the lifestyle changes are very important, which need to be complemented with the fasting. Then comes is our plant-based food. The nutritional deficiency is becoming one of the main reasons why we see the metabolic disorders. Fasting is much more than skipping the meal. It is one of the best way to reset the metabolism in our body. While we reset our metabolism, the another aspect what we need, how do you supplement the body with food which is rich in nutrition? Polyphenols in our food, which is available in the berries, dark colored fruits and vegetables, olive oil, and the medium chain fatty acids, they play a very, very important role in managing the insulin resistance. While we are supplementing the food which is rich in the nutrition, it is equally important that we need to avoid the food which is highly processed. Highly processed food has been one of the major contributor to the insulin resistance. The last but least is gut health plays an important role. The fasting and the plant-based food can able to bring a huge amount of impact on our gut health. The gut health is also an equally important today. Most of the metabolic disorders we see is that there is a lot of small intestinal bacterial overactivity, which leads to the leaky gut, which is also one of the contributory factors. The food which is rich in plant-based food, which is rich in nutrition and phosphates, along with the fibers, will play an important role in maintaining the gut integrity and address the leaky gut and reverse the metabolic disorders. At the end of the day, fasting is not about starvation. It is not about skipping the meal. It is a metabolic reset complemented with the supplement of the nutrition can able to bring a huge amount of change in reversal of metabolic disorders. Thank you.